Let's take a look at some flat objects to ensure best practices when dimensioning flat items. To begin taking a flat item measurement record, begin by navigating to the dimensioning icon just to the right of the dimensioning fields on the center of your screen. You'll have to navigate over to the flat item measurement method, which is going to be located on the bottom of your screen and will look like several shirts folded on top of each other. To begin the measurement method, this will be for flat items, so we don't want to be at an angle. We want to be directly over the top of the object, roughly 12 inches above, but this could change depending on the size of the object. So I'm going to hold it still and steady just over the top there. And boom, you've got your length and your width of the item. And by accepting, it'll populate a list of preset templates that your organization can set for the height. In this case, it's 0, a quarter, a half inch, and a full inch. And this will allow you to complete the measurement, giving you all 3 dimensions. Your organization can customize those to be whatever you need. And another note on the flat item measurements, you'll want to make sure that there is a contrast between the object and the background it's laying on. This will ensure both a more accurate and a faster capture. So think about dark items being captured on a light background and light items or clear plastic bags being captured on a dark background.